Holy for you. That really make a put Xpressionz back on the map, bro. Yeah, man, I'm excited about it, man. Oh, what you say go on with you now? John, no, bro. I want to tell you, say, I see the go down with me with you wicked, you know. See this girl thick and broad, you know. Walk with a little maga youth. You see me? So when I say, John, no, brother, you know, step toward. I bet you never know what, brother. Mama go say and put her handcuff, fling me in a wall, brother. Yeah, girl, the police. Bro, I don't know. Look good though, you know? Yeah, bro, but when them take away and fire me, brother. No, me I go see her in the road one day, you know. And me I go make you see what she look like, bro. Me I tell you. How that a knock you do, man? Bro, you're not gonna believe this. Alright, fam, you want me? I link you back, yeah? Come inside, man.
Are you that?
Then if you me, oh, you think I bling dog?
You're a producer or a DJ? Or both?
Me and two of them, man. So where you coming for today?
I just decided to check up on you and see what your place look like.
So, are that alone?
Pro Max. I do a research for you. I'm realizing enough young youth are helping in the community. Even the youth when named Jashi.
So you go do your research? I'm a youth, man. Around here I'm come from.
I realize you protect your reputation because it means everything to you. Just like how my identity means everything to me.
So, when you don't talk about this already, man, I'm going to tell Mr. Mullins, say, I understand everything what go on, you see me? So you could see it with my baby.
You ever hear them talk about woman intuition or them gut feeling? I just feel like you're not going to be true to your word.
Oh, you really are talking about? Style, thing to you, man. That me I tell you. Style thing. Watch out, you have to trust me, man. You see me? Take my word, baby. I'm not divulge your secrets to nobody.
For some reason, I don't believe you.
Guess what? I can't help it, you know. You see me? Matter of fact, I'm kind of busy too. You see me? I pop up at a bad time. So if on the music you come for the evening, if you not do some recording, I don't mix a song for you. You see me? Yeah, conversation will cut short, you see me?
Well, you know what me do. And it's not music or record. So, you're gonna leave. One thing though.
So, why you have an interest in music now?
How's your daughter?
You know my daughter?
Yeah, her name is Kiki and she's 9 years old. And your baby mother named Felicia.
What a way you're digging in my business. But that's a public knowledge. Everybody know my baby mother. Everybody know my youth.
Yeah, you're right. But what about your other baby mother? Or your other dad?
What?
I never stutter. I never talk a different language. Your baby mother, Fiona, You're 4 months old, baby. Kayla, I'm sure that a public knowledge, right? Everybody's supposed to know that, don't it?
So, me secret agent. You come have a shape with them. Category 5 very quick. Alright.
No, don't say that. Shape down, I'm sound like a corrupt police. I just want to know say my secret is safe with you. Just like how your secret is safe with me.
I gave Mr. Mullins my word.
I was there, but I just ensure say me have your word.
That is it? We need to go back to work.
Yeah, that's it. But I have a brother. I'm interested in the music. So, me and we talk.
Bad girl, you a bad girl. You a talk with a freaky thing.
What is Papa man?
You a make it go and sticky like whoa. Me a bad man, jealous, you my rooting, baby. You go crazy, I my baby. So baby, put it on me. So baby, put it on me. So for the party, baby, I just wanna take.
I am happy you have finally come to your senses, Xpressionz.
Well, you say you never did want a war. Make peace reign between man and beast.
This is not Cambodia. There's a different type of war that I don't think you understand fully yet. You have a lot to learn.
Badu, you are a playboy. I am a soldier. So don't patronize me.
In this particular situation, I'm the warrior here. Because this is a different kind of war, which I don't think you fully understand. This is a war that requires strategy. One that does not require that physical strength that you portray.
So what's wrong with my method?
I am very surprised you're asking me that.
As far as me concerned, strength always win.